इन हवाओं का इंतजार था मुझे, इस दर्द का एहसास था मुझे। सुलगती आग का साथ देने आई है ये, सुलगती आग का साथ देने आई है, बीते लम्हों को कभी ना बुला देने आई है। This application goes to whatever you want to do, UK, USA, Europe, Australia, Switzerland, whatever. And when we were thinking about what to bring and how to present it, we came across this particular piece by Navdev. And I think
Nagina Benz balances several avatars on her pretty hands as she dances through her day. That of an entrepreneur, a socially conscious person who contributes to the life of many young people and women, as well as to the city of Chandigarh where she lives, and also to the rigorous learning journey chosen by her son, who's a talented upcoming young dancer. Together with all of that, she has co founded and is running a very interesting organization called Elsewhere that initiates very welcome collaborations between different art forms and people from across the country. Elsewhere has brought path breaking art and artists to the audiences of Chandigarh. The city is grateful. Hello. Welcome, guys, to the podcast Theatre of Joy. Today we have Nagina Benz. Nagina Benz, as you will know her more through the video, is amazing. Is really amazing. She's, you know what in the old times we used to call achievers. Well, she's a wonderful achiever, and just keep watching. And oh my goodness, Nagina, uh, I'm leaving everything to you because some little introduction has been given. But tell us about you.
अच्छा,
Nagina is a very Chandigarh girl, huh?
I don't know if that's a compliment. The Chandigarh girl part is that I was born here, brought up here, yeah, educated. Pretty much my journey has been in Chandigarh. I've traveled
You do
across.
belong to one of the oldest,
Yes.
hotelier families
Families, yes.
in town.
Part of the vintage Chandigarh, which set it up.
Yes.
I think we
Heritage.
heritage. We were here. My family was here in the 1950s.
Yeah.
So Chandigarh, yes, is very much a part of who I am, my persona, and we breathe Chandigarh, we live Chandigarh, we love Chandigarh.
Sweet.
Yes, we do. So yeah, that's about Chandigarh. The mere bare, what do I say, है ना? I'm still discovering myself. So, and I'm loving that journey of discovering myself. I think I change I discover a new part of myself every few years. Currently, I've discovered a poetess. I used to write, but I never used to recite, and I've discovered that part, and I'm discovering something else. So वो गाना है ना पंछी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा उड़ती फिरूं
पंछी बनूं
उड़ती फिरूं बस वो मेरे लिए
that's a
me.
wonderful life, and how amazing.
Yeah, that's
amazing.
Me. That's
It's
me.
a choice. You can
Yeah.
panchi bano udte phiro, or you can go dum dum on the earth.
I've chosen to fly.
Yes, I know. I know. I've been reading up about you.
Okay.
And I mean, and you're doing a lot of things which are totally different from each other, and that must be fun.
A lot of fun. Lot of fun. Like I said, I discovered parts of me, every few years. So the entrepreneur in me is also quite alive right now. I just started this new project called Kosha, which is a wellness brand. So I wanted that people should find wellness also affordable, because currently in India, what's happening is that for wellness retreats you really have to shell out a lot of money. And for something that your own country is offering, with the land of Ayurveda, with the land of yoga. So I wanted to launch a an affordable wellness brand called Kosha, and we've started our flagship property in Kasauli. So currently I'm very excited about that. Ajkal Kosha chal raha hai. And yes, amongst my other pursuits, one's an educational firm. We're into career counseling and test preparation, and a foundation and something else.
I know, and I mean, I really like that you one worked with the CII, the women's, what do you call it?
IWN,
IWN.
yeah, Indian Women Network.
Ah, yes. And such wonderful things.
Hmm.
You know, women entrepreneurs
Yeah.
have not been recognized. They are everywhere, you know,
Yes.
and they are doing their bit, but they haven't never been recognized by anyone or called entrepreneurs for that.
Yeah, it's been a constant struggle, and it still remains so.
Sure.
There's very limited space on the top for women, and we are still surrounded by those cliches of, oh, she's busy, oh, her kids have grown up, oh, she's old,
She's going to get pregnant
she's
and go
going
away.
to she's going to get pregnant, she's going to be a grandmother, she is Ajkal it's very popular, she's hormonal. We all are, but women are hormonal, है ना? So unfortunately those cliches have limited space for women on the top, because
Yeah.
unfortunately the people who are deciding for where women should be are also men. I have nothing against men, and I don't believe in that, constant rhetoric of men versus women. But I think it's so. During my tenure at CII's Indian Women Network as the chairperson for a year, the idea was to motivate women to speak up. It's okay. Get up, talk about what you're doing. It could be something as simple as stitching a blanket at home, but that's what you are doing. That belongs to you. That's your ownership. You can talk about it, and that's something you should be proud of. So yes, I dedicated a lot of time in that particular stint for women to feel good about themselves and to have the courage to launch themselves as a brand. Yeah, and why not?
Then why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have. You're a brand, the Nagina Benz.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. And I mean, apart from all the good works that you've done with students, you know, who don't know what to do, where to go. It's so confusing and everything is so difficult to get into.
Very difficult.
But you've done that, your bit also there with your organization, Tesla. It's your business.
Yeah, I wouldn't like to call it a business. I still say it was my calling at the time. So how it started was, it was very interesting. So when Rohan, my son, when he was growing up, I had taken a conscious decision not to work full time. So during that time, I was only freelancing as a trainer or as an educator. I was writing for the Express for a long time. So whatever I was doing. During my time as a trainer, as an English proficiency trainer, I realized there is so much misguidance than guidance in the market. For example, a student studying in grade 11 or grade 12 goes to an ABC education agent and says, I want to pursue marketing, or I want to pursue philosophy or economics or data sciences, and I would like to go to a good university, right? So before the child leaves that office, he will have an offer letter from the university.
Really?
Yeah, and that's because the universities pay a commission to the agent for sending prospective students to the university.
It could be just any.
It could just be any Tom, Dick and Harry university, tier 3 universities. So that, and I was teaching those children for their test preparation. And that's when I decided I will launch my own firm where children are given proper guidance. So we do not take any commission from a university. I don't work with any commissionable university.
That's amazing. Even schools are doing that now.
Yeah, I don't work with that. And it's so, I mean, it's lucrative. It's financially far more rewarding than what I am doing. So we charge the student. They pay us a fee for working with them, helping them unveil their thoughts, their ideas, churning their energy into different paths, helping them explore different words, and then finally deciding as to what you want to pursue. building your profile towards that, and then doing your applications for universities. And until now, we've got 100% record. They do get into pretty good institutions, pretty good institutions in India and abroad. It's not that I've limited Tesla to only abroad. We also work with
Indian
universities
universities.
in India.
Yeah, and considering, I mean, like it's all blowing up in everybody's faces.
Hmm.
Doctor bano, engineer bano, doctor bano, engineer bano, and now kids are dying.
See what's happened with
The-
NEET.
I
and
know,
with
papers
everything
are
else.
being leaked. They're dying.
Yeah, they're dying.
You know, now these 3 kids have drowned,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
now I heard about the 12, I don't know, 22 other kids were burnt alive in some coaching center, which didn't really come out. And yeah.
So it's a money making
you're doing
racket.
a very
No?
laudable job.
It's a money making racket because
Yeah.
imagine there are limited number of seats for medical institutions, government run medical institutions in the country, and the number of students sitting for that examination. I mean, there is no ratio in proportion in that. Completely doesn't make sense. So yes, TESLA is an acronym for testing and learning, and that's what we do with the career counseling aspect of education.
That's also very laudable. But what I really want to talk about is elsewhere. Also, I mean, of course, I mean, that's something which intrigues me. You intrigue me, by the way.
So do you.
Because I mean, just look at that. You know what you manage, and it's not just that okay, you're helping young kids or you've helped women. It is the thought and the planning and the structure and all that went into it. You seem to have sort of winged it, as they say, or pulled it off. What your generation says.
No, I don't know if I pulled it off or not, but
No, but you're there. You
yes,
kind of survived, and you.
I'm a survivor.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
a survivor.
that I can see.
I'm a survivor. I mean, if I've thought of making something work, I will try my level best that I will make it work.
And it's not easy in this world.
It's
Whatever
not
you
easy.
have,
What's
whatever
easy?
leverage you have, whatever you have.
It's not easy for anything, no? It's not easy to have a healthy relationship. It's not easy to have anything.
A child who's you're happy with, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, nothing is easy.
Yeah.
You've got to put in effort with everything. So anyway, elsewhere.
Elsewhere
Is so if we know Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs, so he talks about self-actualization.
Yes.
Elsewhere is my self-actualization. I wanted to. I've been wanting to do this for years. I wanted to have a space which is headquartered in Chandigarh, which is born out of Chandigarh, where we bring the best of the world of arts to the city and take it elsewhere. So Elsewhere is co-founded by Parul and Sukant, both are journalists, and we were talking about this for a while, and I thought it's time, and let's begin this journey. So yes, Parul and Sukant have been into journalism for such a long time. They've got their, as far as the acumen for arts is concerned, I cannot even match them. I don't even come close to them. But to present it to the city and take it across the country, yes, that's where I come in. So Elsewhere was launched in November 2022 with Mahmood Farooqi's maiden performance in Chandigarh.
I was there.
Yeah, you were there. And then we brought a lot of artists in 23. We got Shubha Mudgal ji, Vidya Shah. We had a Think Fest. We had Navtej coming in. We had Navtej come in. Then we had a jazz performance, and recently we had a concert by the Tapi Project. It was also very nice, very
I missed
nice.
that, but
Yeah, but we'll probably bring them soon again. So, and we've used spaces in Chandigarh. So the Rock Garden, the Art Museum, Tagore Theatre, we're using these spaces for people to come and view different
else
genres
goes
of
on
art.
here?
Yeah, what else? I mean, there's so much more to art than what we've been seeing. And what's the most beautiful part of this is that there is an appetite in the city. It's lovely to see that, which is what I believed in. And now Elsewhere is a brand. So at the last concert, that's when we made an announcement that we are launching memberships and we plan to have ticketed events now, because until now we were only inviting people for them to know what elsewhere can do, what elsewhere can bring. And so a couple of things that we decided on elsewhere that I think you must know. So there's no chief guest.
ऐसा
There's
ना?
no lighting the lamp. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. We start in time, we end in time. A 10-minute is what we give up, uppermost, leeway if we're getting delayed. But also because I think the audience needs that kind of respect. People have taken out time
Yeah.
to come and watch something.
yeah.
We need to respect them for that. And until now, we've had a pretty good score with all this. We usually run, sell out shows. People are patient, they are waiting, they want to listen to the artist. Nobody's phone has ever
I'm
rung.
actually grateful for the guys you bring
Yeah.
in, because otherwise Chandigarh wouldn't see them, because they're expensive to bring.
They are. I mean, we're now working out a model where until now we were working on donations and sponsorships, but now we have membership. So you have annual membership where you can view all the programs that Elsewhere brings. Otherwise, it's a ticket to ticket show. That's what we plan to do now. So yeah, that's Elsewhere.
Yeah, but I'm interested in your journey.
हाँ वो तो
I mean, like, you probably grew up seeing all the things that happened in Tigo Theatre, and
like I just shared with you. So my maiden theatre workshop was with Chani ji. I was a toddler at that time in grade 1 or grade 2, and I have a vivid recollection. My mom had taken me ki nahi, I must introduce you to theatre also. So
So nice of
we
her.
trained. I trained under him. I have a complete vivid recollection of there was a dhol, he was in a red kurta, and we were just toddlers standing with each other. And he was saying, "Chalo, pehle round mein sab ghumo." um, yeah, and then we had learned Gidda also in Tigo. Um, and so many other experiences. I think a lot is also got to do with your family ethos. My grandfather was so fond of Urdu poetry that I learned Urdu from PU.
This is your dad's dad, right?
My father, yes, my dad's father. And he's the one who's named all of us. So I'm Nagina, my brother's Anjum, my cousins are Sitara, Tarannum, Alam, Arman, Noor, Jahan, I don't know. And we had Gulistan written in Urdu, engraved in Urdu outside our house. So the influences have been so lovely. I mean, I'm so thankful to the Almighty that I was born in this family. We had a Tagore, recited one evening to Farida Khanum the other, and we were exposed to those influences, and that's how the respect for arts was very, very profound in all of us.
Yeah, I was actually, it was so when I went for the first performance of Elsewhere. Which year was that in?
22, November 22.
22. So, for the Dastan Goi.
Yeah.
And the way you introduced him, and you're so erudite, and poetry is like comes out, you're sort of, what do they say, kant hai poetry, you remember it all, hai na? And your references, it shows that there's a well of kind of knowingness, and I won't say intellect, but a depth of knowledge that you have, which you must have acquired along the way, but also everybody doesn't acquire that. You probably are a good reader, I don't know what.
Probably, but I think also experiences. I can relate so much to so many lyrics today. About pain, separation, agony, love, devotion, dedication, so many bonds. So yeah, I mean, I'm the kind of woman who's wearing my heart on my sleeve, and I feel everything.
And we have wonderful poetry.
We have wonderful poetry. We have wonderful poetry. When Batalvi says कि चंगा होया ना तू पराया हो गया मुख की चिंता तेनू अपना दी. I feel I've lived it. So you relate that poetry to the experiences in your life, and I think that's because we heard that so many times. We heard of a Batalvi, we heard of a Pash, सब तो खतरनाक, साडे सुपने दा मर जाना. And I just remember that I think Chani, he was
We
so
did a
fond
play.
of reciting that poetry
But we
by.
did a play also, no? And just during the black sort
Acha.
of years of Punjab,
Hmm.
we did a play called Akdi Dehleez,
Hmm.
which we were in sector 17,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
spouting poetry for everyone to hear,
Hmm.
and people would stop and hear.
Yeah, yeah, of
Yeah, they
course.
would listen to the whole play.
So we relate so much to that poetry, life's experiences, and then you probably have an idea of why it was written, how the
Yeah,
poet probably thought of this, and how it's come out into these words, and how these words are making so much meaning in your life right
I
now.
know, rich, making it richer,
Yeah, I don't need
making it
medicine.
nuanced and
Yeah, yeah.
deep,
I
and
don't need medicine. I just need a book to read. I
yeah.
need something, or I need a pen to write.
I know you write poetry too,
हाँ वो भी है
and
कभी
of course I
कभी
heard
कभी
some bits on the internet. But and of course you should recite your
I
favorite one.
wasn't prepared for that.
Yeah, but
Anyway,
yeah, I mean, I'm sure you do remember all your poems. A lot of them, that is.
most of them,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
most of them.
Because the way you were spouting on the internet,
Hmm.
you seem to, have it all here.
Yeah, yeah. No,
And that's
I have it on
rare
my phone.
too. It's not that you write it off and it's gone, but it
No,
lives
no.
with you.
Yeah, yeah. They are with me. They are with me.
Hmm.
And I know कि वो मैंने कब लिखी थी, क्या हुआ था,
Hmm.
और क्यों लिखी थी.
A wonderful way of therapy, actually.
It is.
You know?
It's so cathartic. It's so cathartic. Like I said, you don't need medicine. If you have these beautiful tools that have been given to
Yeah.
us, you just know, you should know how to use them.
Mm.
And I'm so sure so much music in this world has been created out of one's own experiences.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
It
So much
always
dance,
is.
so much music.
Was dance. And your son's a dancer,
And my son's a dancer.
which is also great in a Punjabi household.
हाँ हाँ in a Punjabi Jat Sikh household.
I know, that's very, very, very laudable of you.
Thank you.
And
No, we had
from
this.
what I hear, you stood by him, and he didn't even have to think of rebellion because it was just go from the first
Yeah,
go.
he had my support right
Yeah,
from the word go.
yeah.
And again, so like I think generation to generation, right? The respect for the arts was instilled in me, and then I told him that why don't we? You must imagine living in India and not learning an art form in a country like ours.
Which is, I mean, it's available, it's
It's
out
available, it's
there.
right there. Or
Mm,
at least expose your children to that.
mm,
Maybe they learn, maybe they
mm,
don't.
mm.
Koi baat nahi. At least expose them. So yeah, Ruhan's a Kathak dancer, and I have to confess that my biggest high in life, biggest, is to watch him perform on stage.
Sure it
I can't
is.
even tell you how I feel.
Sure it is.
If you want to gift me with something, I just have to see him on stage. I
And
don't need anything
that's
else.
the air draft
Yeah,
with under your
yeah,
wings.
absolutely.
Wow.
So yes, he's pursuing it with a lot of devotion, passion. He's very proud of it, and it's taken a lot of efforts, um, and I
I'm
would say
sure.
uh, you had to have a heart of steel
Yeah.
to deal with the onslaught of so many
Yeah.
questions and so many answers by society, by people around you, and but then again those experiences have made him just polish his art even more. It's I think that kind of feedback turned his battle into a resolve to ensure
I can
that he
just
will
imagine what
dance.
he must have gone through in school.
School has been very supportive. I
Acha. Yeah, I
must give
mean, with his peers.
sometimes, and he has, and the most beautiful part, he never used to share this with me. It was many many years later that I said, "अच्छा why आप उसको क्यों नहीं hello बोल रहे हो when I was going to school?" छोड़ो छोड़ो उसको forget about it, mama, forget about it. I said, नहीं क्या हुआ बताओ. anything नहीं बोला मेरे को कभी कभी he teases me बहुत कथक. It was as casual as that.
Oh, what a
I'm like अच्छा
wise
चलो कोई
kid.
बात नहीं. He
And he's
never
only
came.
16 now, today. I mean,
Yeah, he's only 16. Yep.
that's
So
amazing.
I'm very proud of him.
Mm,
Very, very proud of him.
mm.
Like we all are of our children.
Yeah, I am too. And I mean, that's all that is what makes a person a human, woman or man. You know, where are your kids? What are they doing?
Yeah.
What, what are you and your kids and everything that goes into it? And apart from your profession and apart from everything else,
Yeah. I think in the
your
long run,
wholeness comes with it all.
in the long run, I mean, I, I, I will always remember this thing. I've also said it many times before. My mom was one of the strictest women Chandigarh has ever witnessed, and she's my mother, and I'm to be her daughter. I'm quite a rebel of sorts. And she only said one thing that जिंदगी तेरे तो कोई भी कुछ भी ले लेगा ना तेरी एजुकेशन और
Education.
डिग्निटी वो नहीं कोई ले सकता.
Oh,
And she was so right. She was
yeah.
so right.
You use
You
your
always
education.
you always have a choice in life on how to react to certain situations, on how you take your decisions, and how you conduct yourself. And again, you feel so powerful when you have behaved in a certain way, and you reflect on that later. And that's exactly what I tell Ruhan. There has been a challenging situation in our life in the last 2 months for me personally. And yes, he's devastated. He's dealing with it. And I always tell him, and I'm trying to empower him by telling him that this experience too has come into your life for you to be a better human being, for you to deal with situations in a
For you to be more.
larger perspective. So इन्हों भी तू अपनी education दा part ही ले ले. Don't pity yourself.
Yeah.
It's okay. This too shall pass. Like everything else.
Yeah. Yeah, I know it's your choice how to, whether you make your universe choiceless or choiceful. Where you
Simple.
just choose.
Absolutely.
Which you seem
Absolutely.
to have done.
Absolutely.
So one nice little poem.
हाँ सुना दूँ? Okay. Let me look for.
Just because I'd love to listen to you. And I'm sure everyone will.
I'm sure.
But
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, I'll recite one of the. I wrote this particular one long ago. So मैं देख रही हूँ मुझे मिल जाए तो मैं सुनाती हूँ.
So guys, I have a captive poet today who cannot go away from here without.
चलो. Considering it's monsoon है ना?
Yeah.
तो फिर I should recite something on monsoon. मिल गई है मुझे. इन हवाओं का इंतजार था मुझे. इन हवाओं का इंतजार था मुझे. इस दर्द का एहसास था मुझे. सुलगती आग का साथ देने आई है ये. सुलगती आग का साथ देने आई है. बीते लम्हों को कभी ना बुला देने आई है ये. बीते लम्हों को कभी ना बुला देने आई है ये. वो भी कुछ ऐसा ही दिन था. जिंदगी ने आपकी लकीरों का साथ दिया था मुझे. वो भी कुछ ऐसा ही दिन था. जिंदगी ने आपकी लकीरों का साथ दिया था मुझे. आज भी कुछ ऐसा ही दिन है. लकीरों ने जिंदगी से चुरा लिया है मुझे. ये ठंडी हवाओं का इंतजार था मुझे. मेरी धड़कन को सांसें देने आई है ये. मेरी धड़कन को सांसें देने आई है ये. मेरे नब्ज को आवाज देने आई है ये. धूप निकलेगी. धूप तो निकलेगी. बस मेरे सूरज को इतना कह देना. मेरे आंगन में भी थोड़ी सी परछाई दे देना. इन हवाओं का इंतजार था मुझे.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
An all-time kind of a poem.
हाँ, an all-time kind of a thing.
Whenever you're down, whenever you're up.
Yeah, you know कि धूप तो निकलेगी,
हाँ
सवेरा तो होएगा,
हाँ
कोई गल नहीं, ये निकल
हाँ,
जाएगा,
ये
वक्त
भी
है,
निकल
कोई
जाए।
बात नहीं। आई कीप टेलिंग माई सेल्फ, कोई नहीं, हो जाएगा, निकल
हाँ
जाएगा,
हाँ,
हो
so
जाएगा।
proud of you.
थैंक यू सो मच।
But anything else you'd like to tell the city?
सिटी,
Hmm.
हाँ, लॉर्ड्स।
I'm sure you
I
have.
have so much to tell the city.
Yeah.
I I will say that Chandigarh is a beautiful place to live in as far as the physical beauty is concerned, and we all must play our part to not let the substance wither away
Hmm.
of the city. And
Hmm.
all we have to do is allow ourselves to be ourselves, yeah. That's it.
How tough is
छोटी सी
that?
चीज है.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay to wear a torn kurta to market to pick up bread. That's you. It's okay.
That's
That's
a very Chandigarh comment.
हाँ, मतलब तो क्या हो गया
Yeah,
यार?
yeah, yeah,
Be yourself.
yeah.
I'm equally comfortable in a cotton sari, and as I'm comfortable in some branded, coat from wherever, the latest fashion week. It's
Hmm.
okay, but अपने आप को अपने में रहने दो. Be original. Don't become a part of the herd, yeah. Bus, that's all I want to tell the city. And avenues are there. There are avenues for
In
you.
Chandigarh,
In right
there's
there.
everything you want to do.
I छोटी सी चीज़ है. I always ask my son's peers that अच्छा हम बात करें. Oh, I went to the Louvre, in Paris, and which is great. I mean that
Hmm.
it's an institution. You can spend 10 days looking at that museum. But art museum देखा है?
I know. People, it's not appreciated enough.
Yeah.
It's really amazing. I send everyone
I
who will
we had a
listen to me.
show there right now. Elsewhere had a show there when we got Tapi to perform. I can't believe it. I can't tell you, Harleen. I had so many people saying, "अच्छा ये कहाँ है? Art museum कहाँ है?" And I presumed everybody know. So I said, "Tubu है ना? That coffee place
हाँ,
उसके
उसके
सामने."
साथ है.
Oh, अच्छा. Tubu के सामने. So Tubu is a destination.
I
Museum of Art is
know.
not.
And they moved it from Lahore,
Yeah.
the art college and the
Exactly. They
museum.
brought it here.
And it's got so much stuff in it.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
That space is beautiful. In fact, with Elsewhere, we're planning something
Hmm.
really soon once the weather changes to have something in the central courtyard, some kind of a performance, maybe
That'll be nice.
theater,
It's
maybe
like very good
music.
for open air
It's
stuff.
beautiful for
Good
open
audio
air.
zone
Yeah, we
also.
can use so much.
Hmm.
So yeah, that's all I have to tell the city. It's okay to be original. Just be yourself and add to the, I would say, the dynamic fabric of the city.
And I'd say cherish it. It's a
Cherish
city
it.
like no other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it. I
Hmm.
check people who throw rappers on the road and they're like, आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अरे मुझे फर्क पड़ता है यार, मेरा शहर है ये, तो क्या हो गया? So let's do our bit for the city,
Hmm.
and do our bit for ourselves.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
Like you said, I'm okay doing strawberry and cream in my hair. That's what I want to do. So I
That'll be
think we all
me.
should be comfortable in our skin.
Yeah. And I believe I don't have people turning heads and staring at me, though I was a little disappointed. But but yeah, I mean this city sort of, takes in everything.
Takes in
Absorbs,
everything,
yeah.
absorbs everything, and I think it's still got space for everything.
Yes.
No one in this city has ever not welcomed a change, welcomed
Or
something new.
something new.
Yeah, it could be anything, just about anything. We're okay with it. We keep moving. It
Yes.
truly is a modern city in terms of its ability to grow with change, ability to welcome change,
And absorb shocks.
and absorb shocks. Yeah,
The
so
shocks
many
of
of them.
change.
So
Yeah.
many of them. So बस हाँ यही कहना है चंडीगढ़ में तो.
That's wonderful. And if the city has you in it,
The city has us
yeah,
in
I'm
it.
sure.
Yeah,
Us in it. And
absolutely.
yeah, I'm sure it's got a good going. Thank you so much, Nagina.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank you.
so honored.
I am
I'm so
honored. When you
honored.
called me, I was like, oh, she really thinks that I'm worthy to be
I mean,
here
like,
at her show.
I
So
was
I'm
like,
honored. That's the pleasure is
I'm honored.
absolutely all
I'm
mine.
really honored. And it was such an amazing conversation.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
God
All
bless you.
right.